Hi everyone, I am Nikita, an AI Internet Facts Lab. Today, I want to show you Grok, an AI assistant that can chat with you, create image, automate tasks, and even connect apps you use like Gmail and Google Calendars. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what Grok can do and how to use it by yourself. So, what exactly is Grok? Think of it as one single tool that brings together four things. First, chat assistant for answers. Second, an image generator. Third, a system that automate repeated tasks. And fourth, connection to real apps you use every day. Now, I will take you to the Grok interface and we'll see what are the features in Grok and what we can do in Grok. This is the home screen, the first thing you see when you open Grok. On the left, you have new chat, imagine, automation, skills and connectors, projects and history. In the middle, there is only a one box that is chat box. Here you type what you want and that's it. We also have different modes like fast, auto, expert and heavy. We'll talk about these a few minutes later. Now let's talk about Imagine. This is where Grok creates images for you. You can either pick a ready-made template like a professional headshot or product showcase or just type your own idea from the scratch. There's also a discovery feed showing what other people have created, which is great inspiration. Now, here's a feature a lot of people don't know about. That is automation. This lets Grok keep doing a task on its own again and again without you asking every single time. For example, it can auto reply to important emails, track stock prices daily, or pull out action items from your recent messages. And now, skills and connectors. We'll talk about skill first, then connectors. This is what let Grok actually create real files for you Word documents, PDFs, PowerPoint presentation, and even Excel spreadsheets, all without opening any other software. You just describe what you need in plain words, and Grok builds the file and hands it to you. Now, connectors. This is what make Grok more than just a chatbot. You can link it to app you already use like Gmail, Google Drive and so on. We also have options of Canva, GitHub and Google Calendars. Once connected, Grok can actually read your real data and act on it, not just guess. So, and it's not limited to just a handful of apps. Grok organized connectors into categories like advertisement, analytics, developer, finance, productivity, and so on. So, whatever tool you are already using, there is a good chance Grok can plug into it. Now, we'll talk about the response mode, like the fast. So, before you hit send on a message, you get to choose how much Grok should think. Fast mode is for quick, everyday questions. Auto lets Grok decide for you. Expert mode digs deeper for harder technical questions. And last, heavy mode. Heavy mode brings in a whole team of experts for the toughest problem. Basically, more thinking means a better answer, but it takes a little longer. Now we will be talking about the personalization. Grok also let you shape the experience around you. Under appearance, you can pick light, dark, or system theme. Behavior controls things like auto scroll and dictation. Customization let set Grok tone like the custom, concise, formal, Twitter, and comprehensive. So, talking about the data control. It manages your privacy setting. Speaking of privacy, this panel gives you full control over your data. You can turn off model training on your chat, manage shared links, export all your account data, and or permanently delete conversations, images, or even your account. It's good to know this exists if privacy matters to you. From here, you can delete conversations, delete image, delete account. You can also export data from here. You can also see deleted conversations, shared links, and so on. Let me actually show you Grok in action instead of just talking about it. I'm going to run few examples live. Go to new chat and type here what you want to search. Suppose I type this. From here I can change mode. But here I have a default option of fast, so I will go with this and then simply search it. The fast mode was for everyday answer, so it had given me answer in 4 seconds. And if I had changed the mode, then it would have taken more time to give me the answer. Now we will talk about the imagine. Here you can choose any of the template or simply write your text by own. If I choose this template, here I can add my any image, and from here I can choose the resolution and the duration of the, and also the audio option if I want it or not, and then send. So for this I have to upgrade my grok, but for now this is how you can do this. Also, if you want to create anything, you can type it here. It can be image, video, or the agent also. From here you can choose the ratio, like it should be tall, wide, square, vertical, widescreen, or what. From here you can make a commercial for any product, and also you can object remove object from here. Next, let's see skills in action. I'll ask Grok to research a topic and turn it straight into Word document. I will simply write what I want to research and press send. While that's generating, keep in mind this is happening without me opening Word, without me formatting anything. Here we have given we want in Word document. So let's see it will create it or not. So now you can see it is creating a summary. It had created the summary. It took 4 minutes 12 seconds, and this is the final summary. We can download it from here, or we can simply see what it is. It had given us this summary. Now let's set up an automation. And in the automation, we can simply go to task extractor. From here, I can give it instructions like what I want, and it is also giving us the option of notification like email plus app and so on. So triggers means the starting from this. Also we can automate it for the daily stock, give me the latest update, and we can notification, we will get notification in email and in app. This is the time, or we can also change this. If we want anything specialized according to our work, we can also go to new automation and create it from here. Now we will talk about the skills and connectors. If I link my Gmail to it, like connect, like my Gmail is connected, added successfully. This is the showing what I have till connected. From here, I can also add Google Calendar. I have connected Gmail and my Google Calendars to it. Also, if I want something else, I can choose it from here. Now, this is the difference between a regular chatbot and Grok. It can reach into a real app and give you real answers. Now, at the end, we will be talking about the Grok response. In the customize option, we have this. Already, we have talked about this, but once again, I would like to highlight it because it is very important. You can choose the response, what type of response you want from the Grok, like the formal, comprehensive, and so on. And in the customize option, you can give Grok what type of answers or in which tone answers you want from the Grok. So this is the end of this. So, to sum up the real world use, Grok can help with research and writing, building documents and spreadsheet, creating visuals, automating your daily tasks, working across connected apps, and just being a faster way to get everyday things done. So, that's Grok, one place for chat, creation, automation, and real connected work. Thank you so much for your time. This is Nikita signing off.